Okay, let me harvest you. You're looking good. Yes, you are. Look at that. Okay. Another beautiful asparagus. Okay. Let me harvest you right here. You looking tall. Just break you off at the root, and more are gonna grow back. Okay, look at you, tall one here. Okay, yes. I know y'all are gonna taste great. Let me see. Okay, let me get you right here. Okay, what about you? Okay. Nice, nice, nice. Let me get over here. Look at you. Nice size asparagus. Okay, let's see. A lot of them coming up, little skinny ones. I'm gonna let them go and turn into ferns and grow some more asparagus. Let's see. Let me go on and get you. You're nice. Okay. This one right here. Okay. Quite a bit of you guys. See some more coming up. Let y'all need to clean out this area. Oh, let me get you. You nice size. Okay. Look at that. I see y'all coming up. Y'all looking good. Yes, you are. Okay. Oh, Lord. Let me see. Let me get over this right here. See some over in this corner here. Okay, I see you. Let me get you right here. All right. Okay, you guys come on up. I'll come back and get y'all another day. Nice harvest of asparagus grown in Big Mama's garden.